Welcome to my channel. Today video is about the mystery of Mona Lisa. Detailed information. Let's start. Tell us about video in comments section.
Mystery of the Mona Lisa, focusing on its unique aspects and intriguing details. Opening music. Narrator. Welcome, everyone, to our exploration of one of the most enigmatic paintings in art history, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Pause for effect. Narrator. The Mona Lisa, housed in the Louvre Museum in Paris, is perhaps the most famous painting in the world. But what makes this portrait so captivating and mysterious? Background music fades in. Narrator. First, let's talk about the subject herself. Who was the Mona Lisa? The most widely accepted theory is that she was Lisa Gherardini, a Florentine woman married to a wealthy merchant named Francesco del Giocondo. This is why the painting is also known as La Gioconda. Yet, despite this theory, her true identity remains a subject of debate and speculation. Cut to a close-up of the painting. Narrator. Next, let's examine her smile. The Mona Lisa's smile is famous for its elusive quality. From one angle, it appears to be a slight smile, but from another, it seems to vanish. This effect is achieved through Leonardo's mastery of sfumato, a technique that blends colors and tones seamlessly, creating a lifelike and almost ethereal quality. Soft piano music. Narrator. Now, let's delve into some of the unique aspects of the painting. Did you know that the Mona Lisa does not have visible eyebrows or eyelash? Presentation on the mystery of the Mona Lisa, focusing on different aspects and new details. Welcome, everyone, to our journey into the depths of one of art history's greatest enigmas, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Pause for effect. Narrator. The Mona Lisa, displayed at the Louvre Museum in Paris, is more than just a painting, it's a phenomenon. But what is it about this portrait that has intrigued generations? Background music fades in. Narrator. To begin with, let's discuss the painter himself, Leonardo da Vinci. Renowned as a polymath, Leonardo's diverse interests ranged from anatomy to engineering, and these interests are reflected in his art. The Mona Lisa, completed around 1506, is a culmination of his artistic and scientific endeavors. Cut to a close-up of the painting. Narrator. One of the most debated aspects of the Mona Lisa is her identity. While many believe she is Lisa Gherardini, there are alternative theories. Some suggest she could be an amalgamation of idealized features, a practice common among Renaissance artists. Others propose that she might represent an abstract concept like the soul or beauty. Soft piano music. Narrator. Another layer of mystery surrounds her pose and gaze. The Mona Lisa's relaxed posture, with her hands gently folded, was innovative at the time. But it's her gaze that captivates. Presentation on the mystery of the Mona Lisa, focusing on her identity, disappearance, and fascinating details. Welcome, everyone, to a deep dive into the mysteries surrounding one of the most iconic artworks in history, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Pause for effect. The Mona Lisa, exhibited in the Louvre Museum in Paris, is not just a painting, it's a phenomenon that has intrigued millions. But who exactly is the Mona Lisa, and what mysterious journeys has she undertaken? Background music fades in. Narrator. Let's start with her identity. The most widely accepted theory is that she was Lisa Gherardini, a Florentine woman married to a wealthy merchant named Francesco del Giocondo. Hence, the painting is also known as La Gioconda. However, Other theories abound. Some suggest she could be an amalgamation of idealized features or even a self-portrait of Leonardo in disguise. Cut to a close-up of the painting. Narrator. The Mona Lisa smile is her most famous feature. It's subtle, enigmatic, and appears to change when viewed from different angles. This effect is achieved through Leonardo's use of sfumato, a technique of blending colors and tones to create soft transitions, making her expression both elusive and lifelike. But there's more to this masterpiece than meets the eye. The Mona Lisa does.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. For more tech information and scientific knowledge videos.